lot of people believe that I can't cook. That makes no sense whatsoever. Here I'm cooking curry chicken, but when I cook in a medicinal way. Whatever I cook, it has to be medicine for me and my children. Inside my curry chicken, you have country pepper, thyme, potato, red onions. We have ginger. Right now we're missing garlic, and we also have Himalaya salt, the pink salt, and we don't have any water inside of this curry chicken. We put everything together in the pot and cover it, and we cook it slowly, rather slowly. You will see how low the stove is, because I don't believe in cooking fast, because when you do, you tend to lose the nutrients out of the food, you know. So the chicken is cut up small. I hate the type of curry chicken that they give us at the restaurants in the US, some big chunky curry chicken that definitely turn me off. And right here you see I don't leave out my scallion. Now I love to cook with rosemary, but I just don't think that the rosemary should be in my curry chicken today. Well, as I say, I don't season up my food overnight. I love to, I believe that the fridge take away the essence, the flavor, and the nutrient